Introduction to Epigenetics. Epigenetics involves changes in gene expression that do not alter the DNA sequence itself but can affect an organism's traits. These changes are crucial in understanding how organisms adapt and evolve over time. Epigenetic modifications. Epigenetic modifications include DNA methylation, histone modification, and non-coding RNA interactions. These changes can regulate gene activity and influence traits without altering the genetic code. Influence on evolution. Epigenetic changes can impact evolutionary processes by allowing organisms to adapt quickly to environmental changes. Unlike genetic mutations, which require changes in the DNA sequence, epigenetic modifications can provide a more immediate response to environmental pressures. Inheritance of epigenetic traits. Some epigenetic modifications can be inherited across generations. This means that traits acquired during an organism's lifetime, due to environmental factors, can potentially be passed on to offspring, influencing evolutionary outcomes. Epigenetics and adaptation. Epigenetics plays a role in how organisms adapt to new environments. For example, epigenetic changes can help species survive in harsh conditions or respond to environmental stressors, contributing to evolutionary fitness. Role in speciation. Epigenetic mechanisms can contribute to speciation, the formation of new species. Variations in epigenetic regulation can lead to differences in traits between populations, potentially driving the divergence of species. Interaction with genetic evolution. Epigenetic changes can interact with genetic evolution, influencing how genetic variations are expressed. This interaction can affect evolutionary trajectories by modifying how genetic information is utilized. Implications for evolutionary theory. Epigenetics challenges traditional evolutionary theory by introducing non-genetic factors that affect inheritance and adaptation. It expands our understanding of how traits are passed on and how organisms evolve. Research and future directions. Ongoing research in epigenetics aims to further understand its role in evolution. Studies focus on how epigenetic changes contribute to adaptation, speciation, and evolutionary dynamics across different species. Conclusion. Epigenetics plays a significant role in evolutionary biology by affecting gene expression and adaptation. Understanding epigenetic mechanisms provides insights into how organisms evolve and adapt to changing environments, enriching our knowledge of evolutionary processes.